Is your child struggling to read simple words or understand phonic sounds? Introducing the Phonics Learning Kit, a complete set of 10 powerful phonics books designed to take your child from basic sounds to advanced reading skills. This ultimate phonics collection covers short vowels, long vowels, digraphs, trigraphs, blends, R-controlled words, sight words, and much more. Each book includes simple concepts, explanations, practice exercises, and easy activities that make learning fun and stress free for both children and parents. Whether you are homeschooling or simply helping your child learn at home, this kit makes phonics teaching easy for every mother. Help your child improve reading, spelling, pronunciation, and confidence step by step. Give your child a strong reading foundation with the Phonics Learning Kit. Order now and make learning to read easier than ever before.